haven't vlogged like this in a minute. It's a very casual day. It's October 9th. It's 11 a.m. I woke up around 10 today and I was supposed to wake up at 8. So I do feel a little bit behind, and whenever I do this, I feel like it's just good to get up and get some things done. So before we do too much else, I'm gonna clean my room for 5 minutes just to clean everything up before we head out the door. And then we're gonna go get some coffee and breakfast because I'm gonna get out of the house. I have to order a shoe rack for this area today. Pretty soon I need to hang up some curtains right here. I feel better, and now we're gonna go to a coffee shop to work. What you doing? Nothing. I'm going to a coffee shop to work, get some food. Wait, let me see it.
That's mostly why I was crying the other day. Like, it hurt bad, but I was like, it went horribly wrong, and I'm gonna have like a melted monster face. All right.
But you... I feel refreshed. I got a good coffee and biscuit with egg and potatoes. So, oh, it's a nice day. Now I'm gonna go to Jenny's house and we're gonna go for a walk. That's why I put on my workout stuff this morning, just so I could go straight to her house. Jenny is a nurse and she works night shifts. So her schedule is a little bit weird. We hang out on her off days. But yeah, if she's free, we'll take it and just do something together when we can. But anyways, I think we're gonna do like a little grocery shopping and gift shopping together. We were thinking about going to Trader Joe's and getting together a little like goodie basket. Yeah, we'll just see what we do, but I'm excited to see her. So before she comes over, I'm gonna go for a quick lap. I look ridiculous with these sunglasses on.
Oh, you look cute. Thanks.
Alright, we don't have to talk about it, but but who thought I was quitting social media?
Wow, here that was quitting.
No, Jenny just said like, so are you making YouTube videos anymore? And I was like, oh my gosh, yeah, I'm actually vlogging today. No, I feel like I haven't been as consistent in posting or just posting things that make me happy. And I feel like I've just been at a weird stage of social media for a long time. And I'm actively always trying to get out of it, but Jenny was just like, yeah, are you doing YouTube anymore? I'm a little lost on...
Yeah, are you quitting or what are you doing?
Yeah,
but apparently she's not, guys. She's here. She's fully here.
Basically, I just need to find the joy in posting and being consistent because it is something I really love. That's why I decided to vlog today. Like, I'm not doing anything crazy.
Going to Trader Joe's.
Yeah, we're going to Trader Joe's, but I like miss those vlogs, and also this week is gonna be just like a pretty chill, not pretty chill, like pretty and chill week because I'm home and the leaves are changing. Like there's nothing special going on, but it's just
cozy vibes. I like watching like day in the lives of people.
There's also so many different platforms. I watch like TikTok and Instagram. And then sometimes I'll go down a huge like YouTube binge.
I think I watch more, well, I don't have TikTok, so that's probably the thing. But I watch way more YouTube.
What do you guys watch? Like, where do you feel like you spend most of your time? Because I feel like my main one right now that I consume other people's content on is Instagram. I think I watch the most like stories and reels and look at people's posts and like keep up with people on Instagram.
I feel like that's probably most people, but I like YouTube because I like being able to see bigger parts of like the picture, you know?
Why am I in this lane?
Like family vlogs. Where are we going?
I'm going to Target.
Oh.
Fuck. Jenny just went home We got everything we needed for the basket, which I'm so excited about. Cookies, snacks, drinks. Anyways, I've been doing Pilates and then walks. So that's the kind of phase I'm in right now. I'll do Pilates a couple times a week, hopefully, and then a walk every day. So yeah, that's been my workout routine for the past couple months. I do miss weightlifting, so I think I'm gonna try to find a good class I could go to. I can also mix that into my workout schedule. My mom is picking me up for dinner. So we just got done with this dinner. It was so inspiring. It was the founder of UGG, and he had just the coolest story. He was such a kind person and he just kind of like told why he started the company, what he did through his struggles.
He also realized like he's really good at sales and marketing, so he tried to stay in that lane. He had so many failure stories.
Yeah, he did, and now UGG does like $2 billion in sales a year.
6 billion.
6 billion? No, I thought it was 2 billion.
Anyways, okay, we can back check that.
But I don't know, it was nice to be able to talk to him, and I just was like, I'm such a big fan of Uggs. Like, he did do that, and that was also such a big part of my childhood, is like the whole infatuation with Uggs.
Right. Everyone had them, and
yeah. So it was really cool to hear his story, and then the dinner was nice. It was people in our town who are also entrepreneurs or just people in the area, and so it was cool. I was so mad at first because we got to the dinner.
Know they were gonna do it.
And they were like, okay, so stand up and introduce yourself, talk about your business, how long you've had your business, and like blah blah blah. That was it. And I hate public speaking. I think a lot of people do, but I was shaking, and I just...
You did great. I thought you did great.
Right.
It just takes time.
But it was a great dinner. And now it's time for bed. Mom's going home and she's dropping me off. Location. How long have you had this location again?
Since 2018. So what is that? 6 years?
Yeah. So I was here, got my prom hair done here. I would always get my eyelash extensions done, but we were just doing some social stuff for Urban News Instagram.
And now you kind of graduated to other services and facials and...
Oh yeah, now I'm doing the facials to help with my acne, like more laser treatments and everything. It's just to get rid of this, but it's coming along okay.
I feel like it's changed. Like we got these new walls in recently.
I mean, this is my favorite location. They have 3 locations, and this is my favorite one to come to. Always get facials here now, and
It has a really cool downtown vibe. It originally was a grocery store, and you can kind of see here when you pull this open, this was the refrigerator. And now we have it as what's called our clean room. It's been fun to, we spent a lot of time remodeling and trying to be thoughtful about how to use the space but still keep a lot of the interior and exterior charm. Here, I'll show you this. They kind of put the groceries in on that side, and then they would, this is blocked off, but you know, people would come in and grab their produce or their meat, milk, whatever from this side of it.
so it's a really, really cool space. You call it a med spa now, don't you?
Yeah, medical wellness and aesthetics.
Because at first I would always refer to it as a beauty bar. Now I think we're gonna go get some food. Mom and I got some bagels. I got a blueberry bagel with berry cream cheese, and I'm very excited about it. We got a coffee at my favorite coffee spot. I'm also really excited because I am getting my hair glossed. Glossing it, I think, is just gonna make it one shade darker, which I think this is pretty close to my natural hair color, but I was trying to do highlights this summer, and I did like them for a little bit, but some of the highlights are still in my hair, so I want to gloss it and make it just a tad darker for fall. And I also like when my hair is a little bit darker. I just tried highlights. I don't know if it's super me. Dark hair is a little bit more flattering. I'm gonna eat my bagel and go get that done. Made it to Mom's house. I'm picking up a few things. I also just love my hair. I just feel, yeah, more me with the darker hair. I'm excited. And also, I still kept a little bit of the layers in, but this was the box I was looking for. So for the rest of the day, I ran some errands. It wasn't really anything too interesting. I had some more work to do, and I went to dinner with Ella, but thank you guys for hanging out and catching up. A very simple vlog, but sometimes those are the best. And I feel like this one was needed with where my head's been at on life and vlogging. But yeah, thank you guys for watching to the end, and I will see you very soon. Bye.
I just like,
And that's what I've been giving. Is that what I've been giving?
no,
A little bit.
I was just curious.
But I agree with you.